Which one is better, Java or Python? The question that every programmer will ask themselves one day. Both Java and Python are two of the most popular programming languages in the world, but they have very different strengths, ecosystems, and use cases. Java, created in 1995 by James Gosling, known for write once, run anywhere. Python was created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum, known for simplicity and readability. Python, very simple, readable syntax, great for beginners, fast to write code. And the Java is verbose and structured, requires more setup and boilerplate, a strong typing and hard rules. Java, faster execution than Python, widely used in enterprise apps, Android development, and large-scale systems. But Python is slower but extremely versatile, widely used in AI, data science, web development, and scripting. Java, enterprise, backend, Android, high-paying corporate jobs. Python, AI, ML, data science, web dev, startup and research-heavy projects. Well, the sweet part. When to choose which. Pick Java if you want scalability, strict typing, Android apps, large systems. Pick Python if you want fast prototyping, AI, ML, simplicity, web apps. Both languages are amazing, neither is better in every situation, independent on your goals, project, and career paths. Which one do you prefer, Java or Python? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more programming comparisons. And stay flexy.